Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 18th September 2020 and in this video we are going to see the important current affairs from 18th of September 2020. Before starting today's video, we will quickly revise the questions asked in our last video. Our first question was, which of the following countries has recently launched a special campaign called Asol Chini? Answer is Bangladesh, who has been appointed as the new chairman of National School of Drama. Answer is Paresh Rawal. Which country has topped in recently released ICC T20 World Ranking? Answer is Australia, who has been recently appointed as the new chairman of All India Tennis Association. Answer is Anil Jain. Next question was, in which of the following states India's first integrated air ambulance service has been launched recently? Answer is Karnataka, who has been awarded with Indira Gandhi Peace Prize 2019. Answer is David Attenborough. Which of the following day is celebrated as World Ozone Day? Answer is 14 September. Next, which of the following state government has recently launched Smart Ration Card Scheme? Answer is Punjab. Ninth question was, Rajesh Khullar has been appointed as the executive director to Dash recently. Answer is World Bank. The Asian Development Bank has projected Dash% decline in the Indian economy in the current financial year. Answer is 9%. Which of the following day is celebrated as Hindi Divas annually? Answer is 14 September. And last question was, which state government has launched My Family, My Responsibility campaign to combat COVID-19? Answer is Maharashtra. These were the questions asked in our last video. Now we will start today's video. Our first question is, which of the following day is celebrated as International Day of Democracy? Answer is option number 2, 15th September. Every year 15th September is celebrated as International Day of Democracy. It is celebrated to raise public awareness about democracy and to promote and uphold democratic principles, to respect human rights, inclusiveness, accountability and transparency. Answer will be option number 2, 15th September. Next, what will be the India's GDP growth rate in the current financial year as predicted by S&P Global Ratings? Answer is option number 2, -9%. Recently, S&P Global Ratings. S&P Global Ratings is an American credit rating agency. It was founded in 1816. Its headquarters is in New York City. And recently, S&P Global Ratings has projected India's GDP growth rate in the current financial year as -9%. Answer will be option number 2. Next, which state government has recently launched Garima scheme for sanitization workers? Answer is option number 1, Odisha. Recently, Odisha state government has launched Garima scheme to ensure the economic safety and social dignity of sanitation workers in the state. This scheme will provide the health insurance scheme with regular health checkups, housing and educational support, mobility support and mobile support. Around 20,000 core sanitation workers and their families with about 1 lakh population will be benefited from this scheme. Answer will be option number 1, Odisha. Odisha, look at the map. This is Odisha. Capital is Bhubaneswar. Governor is Ganeshi Lal. Chief Minister is Naveen Patnaik. Its legislature has 147 seats. 21 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 10 members are elected to Rajya Sabha from Odisha. It borders with West Bengal, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and Andhra Pradesh, and Mahanadi is the main river of Odisha. Next, name the short video platform recently launched in India by YouTube. Answer is option number 3, Shorts. Recently, YouTube India has launched YouTube Shorts, a new short video platform in India. Answer will be option number 3, Shorts. Next question. Which of the following state governments has signed an MOU with CDB to develop its MSME ecosystem? Answer is option number 4, Rajasthan. Recently, the state government of Rajasthan has signed a memorandum of understanding with the Small Industrial Development Bank of India, that is CDB, to develop its micro, small and medium enterprises ecosystem. Answer will be option number 4, Rajasthan. Rajasthan, look it up. This is Rajasthan. Capital is Jaipur. Governor is Kalraj Mishra. Chief Minister is Ashok Gehlot. Its legislature has 200 seats. 25 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 10 members are elected to Rajya Sabha from Rajasthan. It borders with Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat. It is the largest state by area in India and 5th largest by population in India. The Panchayat Raj was first adopted in Nagaur district on 2nd of October 1959. Nagaur is in Rajasthan. Also, India's first plasma bank has been launched in the Rajasthan. Indira Rasoi Yojana, which is launched to provide pure and nutritious food to economically weaker section, is also launched by Rajasthan state government. And according to a current CAG report, nearly 40% of environmental related crimes in India are from Rajasthan. This MOU has been signed with SIDBI. SIDBI, long form is Small Industrial Development Bank of India. It is a development financial institution in India. It was formed on 2nd of April 1990 with the aim to promote refinance facilities and short-term lending to industries, and serves as the principal financial institution in the micro, small, medium enterprises sector. Answer will be option number 4, Rajasthan. Next, who has been elected as the Rajya Sabha Deputy Chairman recently? Answer is option number 3, Harivansh Narayan Singh. Look into the image. This is Harivansh Narayan Singh. He is an Indian journalist and politician, and recently he has been elected as the Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha, and he is the Member of Parliament in the Rajya Sabha representing Bihar. Answer will be option number 3. Next question, which country has elected as a member of United Nations Commission on Status of Women for the period 2021-25? Answer is option number 2, India. Recently, India and Afghanistan were elected as the members of United Nations Commission on Status of Women. India and Afghanistan will be members of the United Nations Commission on Status of Women for the period 2021 to 2025. What is United Nations Commission on Status of Women? It is a functional commission of the United Nations Economic and Social Council. It is described as the United Nations organ promoting gender equality and empowerment of women. It was founded on 21st of June 1946. Answer will be option number 2, India. Next, Yoshihide Suga has been elected as the new Prime Minister of Dash. Answer is option number 1, Japan. Recently, Yoshihide Suga has been appointed or elected as the new Prime Minister of Japan. Earlier, Shinzo Abe was the Prime Minister of Japan, but due to his illness, he has resigned as the Prime Minister of Japan. Now, Shinzo Abe will be replaced by Yoshihide Suga. Answer will be option number 1, Japan. Japan, look it up. This is Japan. Capital is Tokyo. Prime Minister is now Yoshihide Suga, and currency of Japan is yen. Next question is, who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Paytm First Games recently? Answer is option number 2, Sachin Tendulkar. Recently, Sachin Tendulkar has been appointed as the new brand ambassador of Paytm First Games. Paytm First Games is a subsidiary of digital financial services platform Paytm. And now, Sachin Tendulkar will promote the gaming platform Paytm First Games and all its fantasy sports such as cricket, kabaddi, football and basketball. Also remember, Paytm is the official umpire partner for IPL till 2022 and has been the title sponsor for Indian cricket. Paytm is an Indian e-commerce payment system and financial technology company based in Noida, which is in Uttar Pradesh. It was founded in August 2010 by Vijay Shankar Shara, and currently president is Amit Nair. Next, what is India's rank in recently released Global House Price Index? Answer is option number 2, 54th. Recently, Knight Frank, which is a leading international property consultancy, has released Global House Price Index, and India ranked at 54th position among the 56 countries and territories tracked in terms of appreciation in residential real estate prices. Answer will be option number 254. In this Global House Price Index, Turkey has ranked first, second number is carried by Luxembourg, and third number is carried by Lithuania. Next, who has written the book titled Jinnah, His Success, Failure and Role in the History? Answer is option number 1, Ishtiaq Ahmad. Ishtiaq Ahmad is an author of Pakistani descent. The book called Jinnah, His Success, Failure and Role in the History has been written by Ishtiaq Ahmad. This book is on the life and times of Pakistan's founder Muhammad Ali Jinnah, traces his journey from being an Indian nationalist and becoming a Muslim communitarian and then to Pakistan all-powerful head of the state. Answer will be option number 1. Next, which state's chief minister has recently launched Corona Vijay Rath? Answer is option number 2, Chhattisgarh. Recently, Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel has launched Corona Vijay Rath to create awareness regarding COVID-19 and also to distribute masks and sanitizers for free of cost. Answer will be option number 2, Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh, look at them. This is Chhattisgarh. It was formed on 1st of November 2000. Earlier, it was under Madhya Pradesh. Its capital is Raipur. Governor is Anusuya Uike. Chief Minister is Bhupesh Baghel. Its legislature has 90 seats. 11 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 5 members are elected to Rajya Sabha from Chhattisgarh. It is the 9th largest state by area in India and 17th largest by population in India. It borders with Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, Odisha, Telangana and Maharashtra, and Mahanadi, Godavari, Narmada, Rihand, Indravati are the main rivers of Chhattisgarh. Now answer of the question which was asked in last video. Question was, which state government planned to launch country's first electric vehicle park? Answer is Tamil Nadu. Recently, Tamil Nadu state government has planned to launch country's first electric vehicle park. Now today's question is, which is the first bank in India to use satellite data to access credit worthiness of farmers? Options are ICICI Bank, Indian Bank, HDFC Bank and State Bank of India. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we will discuss this question in the next video.